Hi guys. Um, ipapakita ko sa inyo, this camera is actually one of my favorite camera of all time. Palagi ko itong hinahanap online. I always research on this camera and masaya ako kasi I finally own this camera. This is the Olympus EM1 Mark III. Not the Mark II, actually. Mark II, okay din yung Mark II kasi it's one of the best Micro Four Thirds na merong si Olympus. So, but this time, I have the Olympus EM1 Mark III and I really love this camera and I'm gonna show you. Hi guys, papakita ko na sa inyo yung Olympus EM1 Mark III. Kunin ko lang. So, this is the Olympus EM1 Mark III. It's what I really love this camera is because of its IPIS. Sobrang stable niya. If you compare to other mirrorless camera versus Panasonic or Sony, in terms of IBIS, this camera is one of the best in IBIS. I don't know, hindi ko alam kung bakit ginawa ni Olympus this kind of camera. I think because of the sensor. Kasi maliit yung sensor ni Olympus EM1 III. It's a Micro Four Thirds sensor, which is, if you see the sensor inside of the camera, sobrang tiny niya. Not so tiny, actually it's a 2.0 equivalent in a full frame terms, which is parang kalahati siya ng full frame sensor. So yeah, even though maliit yung sensor niya, it still produces great photos or images or even videos, and because of the IBIS, this camera here, this camera considered one of the best Micro Four Thirds in Olympus lineup, even though it's way back in 2020 pa siya nagawa. So yun, that's why I still love this camera. Yan, pakita ko sa inyo ulit guys. Yan. Yes, it has a flip screen. Sorry, hindi ko siya masyado mahawakan. Yan, may flip screen siya. Also, it has a high resolution mode, both sa handheld and tripod, which is very nice feature of this camera. So yeah, what else? Ano pa ba meron sa EM1 Mark III? It has microphone also. It's a microphone port, headphone port, HDMI as well, and there is a power direct. You can charge this one using a USB power cord directly sa outlet. So yeah, also it has a joystick, which is nice considering this kind of camera. Also, it has a dual card slot. Very nice camera actually. The grip also very nice. Yeah. What else? Ano pa meron dito sa EM1 Mark III? Yeah, actually you can customize your photo, custom 1 to 4, which is very nice. But unfortunately, you cannot customize your video setting. If you want to do a video, just this one, just scroll down or spin the dial into a video mode. Yeah. Pero actually, hindi naman siya, it's not a bummer for me, which is as long as it has good IBIS, good photo, good video output, Hindi na, I think, makaka-compromise yung ganung klaseng small details. Pero for me, this camera is one of the best micro four thirds camera aside sa EM1 Mark II na previously, before it came out, this camera merong EM1 Mark II. So yun guys, so hopefully we will use this one for so many vlogs and photo along the street. Thank you for watching. Let me know your comments down below with this camera. May tumutunog na alarm. Sorry. May alarm na tumutunog. So yun guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.